Hi there. In this video, we will discuss how to complete a merchandise receive or MR in short. The first step is to access the vendor module. In order to do so, take the following steps. First, open your left navigation menu. Click on the vendor menu option. Then choose the vendor. For the purpose of this demo, we will be doing an MR for the first available option. After selecting the vendor, click on the Receive tab. Click the Receive Merchandise button. Next, you will be shown an MR Details section where you can choose where you want to receive items from. You can also check the box if you want item to go through the quality control process. In this video, we will do a simple merchandise receive without QC process. Once you are happy with your selection, you may click Next. In this section, we need to select products that we are receiving. Items can be selected by scanning them with a barcode scanner, manually selecting in the list, or uploaded via spreadsheet using the Select from Excel or CSV button. Once you are happy with your selection, you may click Next. In this section, we can make final edits to the merchandise receive. Those include adding description, various costs, etc. Once you are happy with your selection, you may click Complete. Note that items will be received into stock and are now available to be sold through the POS module. They are also available for memoing or invoicing the wholesale module. That's it for creating merchandise receive using the vendor module. Thanks for watching.